Question number 96 is 272 rounded to the nearest tens is option A is 300, option B is 200, option C is 270 and option D is 280. Now to round off 272 to the nearest tens, we will check the value in the unit place. If the value in the unit place is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, we will go to the next bigger numbers in the tens place. If the value on the unit place is 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4, we will not change the number in the tens place. As in 272, the number in the unit place is 2 and it's less than 5. So we will not go to the next bigger number in tens place and we will put 0 in the unit place. So round off value of 272 is 270. So the correct option is 270. Question number 97 is 272 rounded to the nearest hundred is, and the options are A is 300, B is 200, option C is 270 and option D is 280. Now to round off 272 to the nearest hundreds, we will check the value in the tens place, as the value in the tens place is 7, which is greater than 5. So we will go to the next bigger number in the hundred place and put 0 in the unit and tens place. So round off value of 272 is 300. The correct option is 300. Question number 98 is there are 324 boys students and 249 girls students in the school. How many students are there altogether? And options are A is 75, B is 573, C is 563 and option D is 163. Now we have to add the boys students and the girls students. So when we add these two, we will get the answer and the correct answer is 573. Question number 99 is 420 minus dash is equal to 312 and options are A is 712, B is 738, option C is 108 and option D is 112. So in this question we will subtract 312 from 420 and we will get the answer which is 108. Question number 100 is 647 minus 386 is equal to dash and the options are A is 1033, option B is 733, option C is 311, option D is 261. Now students, we will subtract 386 from 647. We will get the answer which is 261. I hope this video will help you to understand the questions in a better way. Thank you, good luck and Allah Hafiz.